Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Baby I Love You by Aretha Franklin from her 1967 album Aretha Arrives. This was the only release from her 12th solo studio album. The track is classed as R&B, deep soul or southern soul, and the song was written by Ronnie Shannon. Keyboard part is electric piano, sounds to me like a Wurlitzer. I see the tune as one with a steady groove, so I try to contribute to keeping it moving with as much soul and feel as possible. The song is in the key of G. It's fairly uncomplicated. Here's how I might play it.